how to enable or disable turn off A2DP hardware offload on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search turn off A2DP hardware offload from here. Scroll down. You will see turn off A2DP hardware offload is here. If you want to enable turn off A2DP hardware offload, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see turn off A2DP hardware offload is enabled. If you want to disable turn off A2DP hardware offload, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see turn off A2DP hardware offload is disabled. You will enable or disable turn off A2DP hardware offload from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable turn off A2DP hardware offload on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.